This is my artwork and it is called Life. So my artwork is rooted in the philosophy of phenomenology, which is personal and subjective life experiences. And I try to dismantle these life experiences in a non-representational way and then link them to universal truth, because often our life experiences, although unique to our own personal circumstances, culture, time, generation, etc., the experience of being human is universal. This artwork, you can see a swimmer on the left-hand side of the canvas, and she moves through to the right-hand side. She's underwater. There's a lot of digital distortion on the left-hand side of the canvas. For me, represents being tuned in or tuned out, whether that is spiritually or psychologically or emotionally. When we go through a very disruptive period in our life, we can feel very tuned out, very unbalanced, and we go through a journey to seek clarity and to find ourselves in a more stable position. In my life, this was a cancer diagnosis a couple of years ago, which came as a surprise to me, and I had to undergo a very extreme chemotherapy treatment. Throughout this painting, you are going to see that the word life has been repeated, but in Morse code. So tethering the word life to Morse code is a paradox, because Morse code is often a distress call or signal. And this is the same as going through chemotherapy, where really you're putting something very toxic into your body, but it is giving you a renewed lease on life. And the message that I really wanted to bring forward with this piece was that undergoing certain circumstances in your life, which for me this period was like a long lap underwater, and seeing it through, enduring till the end, can often result in something more abundant and rich, and something that really gives you life. So it's a message of hope, and I produce this in the form of a painting.